Hi, Chuck Parsons, Training and Education Manager at HPC Fire Inspired. A couple of weeks ago, you might have seen that we installed this matchlet for a customer. Today, we're back to install a wind guard for him. So we're going to go through the pretty simple process of course, assembling the wind guard for him. Okay, so we've unpackaged everything. We're ready to assemble the wind guard itself. Pretty simple process. We got 4 panes of glass, 8 clips. We're going to assemble those. First thing you want to do, of course, is look for as flat a surface as you can. We're going to assemble this right here on the patio. If you look in there, you see little silicone stops. If you're going to assemble these, make sure those are in there. Those go up against the glass, of course. Sometimes those will kind of fall out in shipping, things like that. So obviously just make sure those are in there before you tighten them against the glass. The other thing too, of course, we do have caution hot surface on here. So obviously make sure that that's pointing out and looking right. So really what I'm going to do is start with the short pane here. I'm just going to get that clip kind of flush with the bottom there, get that tightened up. Okay. Then what we'll do is go ahead and assemble one side here. So of course what we want to do now, we've got all of the writing facing out right, everything's tightened down, so really all we got to do is center it up and we're good to go.